There is a house in New Orleans. They call Rising Sun. And it's real, oh, Billy Bob and God, I know I'm wrong. My mother was a terror.